Hi guys, this is Justin from Fidelium again, and I'm back again with our app development update. I've shown the demonstration version on our meetups a few times, but I don't think I've done that on YouTube yet, so without further ado, let's get to it. So this is our app, and bear in mind that this is still in development. It's with Fortress, of course. So there might be some changes that's going to be made, or that haven't been reflected yet. So, and I'll make comment on that as we go. So, standard login screen, you put your email, password, and you sign in. But let's take a look at the sign up process first. Yeah, this is one of the sections that we have made some changes, updates to it that hasn't been reflected yet. So, you need to that there will be added fields to it, your name, your date of birth, stuff like that. Your email, password, confirmation, transaction password. That's the second password when you make a transaction. Just want to put that in there for extra security. Then there will also be a Google OTP setup section as well, which is also for security. And at the bottom here is the SMS verification part. So select your country. This will give you a whole long list of countries. You could always swipe down, up and down to find your countries, or you could just search like that. So just select that, and your country code is automatically put in there. So you put your number in, and click on the send code button, and which in turn our server will send you the verification code to your phone via text, and just copy that code into the field right here and verify, and click sign up. Confirmation email will be sent to the email address you put in here, and click that, and your account will be set up. You'll be good to go. So let's actually sign up. I have it set up with my fingerprint, so give me a second here. And I think the whole world knows my email address now. Okay, so when you sign in, this is the first page you'll be seeing, and I'll show you to generate a wallet first. You need to have a wallet to put deposit your coins into the wallets. So our BitToken app, BitToken wallet is under development right now. We are hoping to add it within a few days. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. And for Litecoin or Ethereum, you could select the coins here just by swiping it like this. And yeah, this is what it would look like once you generate wallet. It will show you the available balance, unconfirmed balance, and your wallet address, and send and receive, of course. To send a coin, you will the same thing up top here, and just swipe to select your coin. And let's take Bitcoin for example. So at the top here would be the available balance for your account, showing you how many Bitcoins you have and how much that is in USD, according to the exchange rate at the time. And this is the send to address, where you can copy and paste or manually type in the address you want to send it to. I don't see anyone actually doing that. You could always use the camera button here to activate a camera to scan a QR code, and that's always an option that I always choose to take. And here is a little neat part. This is where you put in the number of coins you want to send, and this is the part where you put in the number of amounts of certain number of dollars you want to send in that token. So it should be BTC there, but that one of those changes hasn't been made yet. So let's say there are times when I want to send a certain number of coins to a friend. Let's say half a Bitcoin to a friend, or there are times when I want to send $100 worth of Bitcoins to a friend. So I could put in either 0.5 here to set the number of coins I want to send, or I could, which in turn will automatically calculate how much that is in USD at the current exchange rate. And if I put in a $100 worth of Bitcoin, if I want to send $100 worth of Bitcoin, if I put 100 here, it will calculate automatically how many Bitcoin that is at the current exchange rate. Neat, right? And this will be the estimated processing fee for your transfer, and that's about it. And the receive would be the same thing. Let's see, there's nothing special. Shows you the address, so you could copy and paste it and send it to your friend, or you could just show your friend the QR code. And that's about it for the wallet parts. Nothing too crazy, pretty simple, simple to use, intuitive, as much as I think it's pretty intuitive. And let's take a look at the debit card section now. So there will be a separate page for signing up and stuff like that, but we wanted to show you guys how it works, how you'll be using the app in tandem with your debit card. So if you don't have a wallet for that coin, obviously it show you that you have to generate the wallet first. And even if you do generate a wallet, you have to have cryptocurrency balance to use it anyway. So that's that. So it shows you, once you select the coin you want to use, it shows you how much of that coin you have and how much that is in US dollars. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. So available balance at 0, but you see, sad, but I haven't input any here since development. So it will show you how many Bitcoins I have and how much that is in US dollars at the moment. So once I click the use this coin, it'll show cards in development. So card functions in development, of course. We are working on integrating our card program providers API into our system right now. And once that's set up, and you click this use this coin button, our server will automatically set the card's balance to that available balance, and you'll be able to use your card to swipe your Fidelium debit card as you would with any debit card you have. And it will, once you do that, it will be updating the transactions here. So, and that goes same for Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Fidelium tokens as well. And that's as simple as we want to make. Our system will be doing all the legwork, and you guys just need to go swipe your cards. And this is for down the road when our fortress is up and running, and we could be porting a mobile version into our app. So this won't be out for a while, but we wanted to make an option to automatically trade buy and sell on the app as well. So market price, fixed price, same thing. Transaction history. This is further down the road. We haven't, the fortress hasn't been fully developed yet. So once we do that, we will be porting it over. We hope to port it over to a mobile version and put it in our app as well. For settings, standard, account management, your name, email, phone numbers, country, time zone. You'll be able to set your own time zone. Select your own time zone so that your times work as they should. So it doesn't show the time in our system. It shows you the time in your actual time zone. And your password management, standard stuff. Wallet, it'll be wallet management, verification management, for you guys to do the KYC for debit card and stuff like that. App settings, support, contact us, and log out and everything. So that is how our app development is going, and we hope to release the actual public beta version out for bug testing, and we're going to be awarding bounties for the bug testing phase. And stay tuned for that. We will, within weeks, we want to make this thing publicly available to everyone and show you guys what we've been doing. And so stay tuned for more updates, and thank you guys for watching this video and having a continuous interest in our project. Thank you very much, and keep calm and trade with Fidelium. Alright, thank you, bye bye.